Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, gather your VPN credentials, server address, and protocol details. Prepare AES 256 encryption if offered. Ensure your PC has a stable internet connection and administrator rights. Backup current network settings and note your public IP address. Choose whether to use the built-in Windows VPN client or a third-party Open VPN application. Consider protocol needs like OpenVPN or IKEv2 and ports such as 1194 or 443. Confirm firewall rules allow VPN traffic and that you have the correct username and password. Open settings and go to Network and Internet, then VPN to add a connection. Enter the server address, account name, and choose the protocol type like IKEv2. Save credentials securely and enable Remember My Sign-In info only if safe. For OpenVPN, install the OpenVPN client and the TAP adapter on your PC. Import the provider. Pin file into the client. Run the OpenVPN application as administrator to allow routing and DNS changes to apply correctly on your system. After connecting, verify your new public IP address using an online IP lookup. Test DNS leak protection and try loading a site to confirm traffic routes through the VPN. If the connection fails, retry credentials and double-check the server address. Inspect firewall and router rules and temporarily allow VPN ports like 1194 or 443. Review the client log for error codes and reconnect with elevated rights. Reinstall the TAP adapter or the client if problems persist, and contact the provider with log details for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.